Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna go through HostGator and we're gonna do a review about it, the pros and cons of this hosting service. Now this video will be quite quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, HostGator has free plans. It's a hatchling, baby plan, and a business plan. So you need to choose the one which fits you the best with all of these features. So for example, the Hashlink plan, which is the cheapest one, has a free domain for the first year, as does all of these, and free SSL security for the first year. And for example, the baby and business plan has a free SSL for as long as you use HostGator. Now, HostGator had some issues previously, and they have some cons still. Now, we're gonna go through them just in a second. Here are some comparisons with the plan. It doesn't really matter which one you would take. Maybe I would take a baby plan because it has a free SSL forever. Now I've just written down some of the pros and cons of HostGator. So they have plenty of storage and they also have some flexible terms if you don't want to pay like for a whole year. And now they also have many programming languages like PHP, Ruby on Rails, Perl, and Python, and also unmetered bandwidth. They don't limit the traffic your site can get. So this is really important if your site will get a lot of traffic. They are not limiting anything, but there are some cons. So like tricky prices and fees, very cheap prices at the start, and then you will be charged if you need to restore some backup. And they also make a lot of constant upsells like other products, backend packed with unnecessary upsell options. The speed also could improve a little bit. They also have poor backups unless you pay for add-ons, and it doesn't have a built-in server-side caching system. Now, there's also unreliable support. Maybe they improved this, but at some times you need to wait for like 30 minutes to be connected with the support team. But basically, that's about HostGator. To sign up, you just basically click Buy Now option. Now you're gonna create your account here, enter your billing information, and now, as you can see, that's how much you would pay with this discount. And that's pretty much it, how you sign up. Yeah guys, if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.